Look, it's moving itself. Hello guys, and today we're making a Tesla video, and our Model 3 Performance Tesla is coming up. And it's gonna drive by itself. And make sure to watch to the end. There's lots of cool features in the Tesla, in this Model 3 Performance Tesla. There's a game, there's a toy box, there's even lots of other cool stuff. So please watch till the end and make sure to like and subscribe. And check out all our other videos after you watch this video. Moving itself. Look, it's moving itself. Nobody whatsoever. You can check yourself. We'll put the camera in front of it and see. The reason why the car is coming here is because we are controlling it with my dad's phone. So there's some buttons that you can stop, turn it on, and the Tesla will come by itself to the phone. It's like a GPS device. So let's go inside this marvelous Model 3 Performance Tesla and see what's in storage for us inside the Tesla. And it's driving all by itself. Dun 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 dun. Tesla is coming. Now in this Model 3 Performance Tesla, and we're gonna show you everything in the Tesla except some stuff. Well, most of the stuff. So let's get started on this super fun activity. There's games, there's toy box, there's so many cool features. And you can see the hand sanitizer because it's Corona time and we have to wipe stuff and wipe our hands. So let's first of all let's go to entertainment. We have our watching things: Netflix, Hulu, YouTube, Twitch, and when we're parked we can watch these things, not when we're driving. And we also have an arcade with a bunch of games like this one and this one. So let's first play this game, my favorite game. Play game. It's called Beach Buggy Racing 2. So we have our Tesla, and there's 1 player, 2 player, and so let's do 1 player. Let's do this one. And the background, I want to do performance. Bird poop. Rolling thunder. I'm in 6th place right now. I'm not that good at this game. Now the power up. tar won't stop. A bunch of black tar won't stop me. I'm in 6th place still. I'm kind of bad at this game. Okay, that's like 6. I'm behind. Sixth place. Like I usually am. So we're in 6th place, and we're gonna go to another game now. Okay. So which game should we choose? And by the way, there's no dashboard, no nothing on the screen, just this screen. And now we're gonna play a game of chess. So let's play this. So we have this nice board, and this is me, and this is the Tesla because there's no one other. This tracks lots the game vlogs, and let's play chess. So what should I do? Okay. Okay. This is a tough game. Of chess. So anyway, let's just move on to the next game. So let's see. New game. Okay. Let's move to the next game. Because this is kind of getting a little boring. Now let's say this. Asteroid. Push to start. Okay, let's play another game. Caterpie, the play. Okay. Okay, I'm not the best at those games. Other games. This one. game. Yeah. Missed that one. I score 3. Okay, I'm not the best at some of these games. Okay. So, let's go to the toy box. Up. Toy box! So we have this one, the fart. So we can make any part of this thing fart. Of this, any scene of the Tesla fart. Demonstrating. It's so funny. Is it funny? There's different types of farts. There's not a fart, short ripper, clouding heavy fart, Luigi's fart, boring fart. I'm so random, which means it just picks a random. So there is Get Cozy. It's the flame that never goes out. Impression, romance mode. So this is basically it's basically a fire, which is a little boring looking at. Let's move to something else. We have Mars mode, which makes our map of Mars. We have Santa mode and Rainbow Road. Rainbow Road can only be used when we're driving. So let's just move on to entertainment theater. So we have Netflix. What should we watch? So we have lots of stuff. And we have lots of accounts. It's loading.
Me try. Throw 2 at once.
Let's see some. Which, by the way, let's watch one of my YouTube videos. So this is my YouTube. You watch all my videos and subscribe. So let's go to my YouTube channel. And we renamed it called Bright Kids Fun TV. So we have lots of stuff. What should we watch first? Let's watch Coca-Cola. Booming. Welcome back to my channel, guys. So today we're going to be doing the Coca-Cola challenge. So we have 4 bottles of Coca-Cola. So please subscribe and I'll see you in the next vlog. And make sure to like and subscribe. And check out all my other YouTube videos. So bye-bye.